Comparison has a quiet way of stealing peace. You look at where you are, then you glance at where someone else seems to be, and suddenly, your own progress feels smaller than it really is. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote speaks directly to that subtle mental habit that can unsettle even the most grounded moments. The mind settles when you stop comparing your beginning to someone else's middle. This quote reminds us how unfair comparison usually is. You're measuring your early steps against someone else's developed momentum. Their middle includes years you didn't witness, struggles you didn't see, doubts that were never posted or shared. When you compare like that, the mind stays restless. It questions timing. It questions worth. It creates pressure where none is needed. But when you remember that every path unfolds in its own sequence, something softens. Your pace becomes valid again. Your position makes sense again. Peace returns when you stay with your own beginning. Beginnings are not failures. They are foundations. They hold possibility, learning, and direction. The moment you stop borrowing someone else's timeline, your mind has space to settle into your own. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. Notice when comparison shows up. Instead of asking how you measure up, ask what your current moment is teaching you. Let that be enough. Carry that perspective with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to be further along to be right where you are. The mind settles when it comes back home to its own path. Here are two related thoughts to sit with. Your timing is not behind, and peace grows when comparison ends. Until we meet again tomorrow. Let's make it a great day.